Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, I'm still wearing my pajamas because I'm gonna make my breakfast and I'm gonna show it to you, which is crepe and it's gluten-free in only 5 minutes. So are you ready? Let's begin. Alright guys, so let's grab our ingredients. Alright, so in this breakfast, you don't need to measure anything. Just use your beautiful eyes. Let's start by breaking 2 eggs. And add some sugar, but not too much, guys. Maybe like around 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar. A pinch of salt. And then mix them. Once it's mixed, it's time for you to add your flour. This is a gluten-free flour, but you can use any flour that you like. So you're gonna stop adding the flour if you reach this consistency, which is a very thick consistency. And then it's time for you to add the milk. Once you reach this consistency, your crepes are ready. So the next step is to cut the strawberries or any fruit that you like. So here you go guys, strawberries are cut. Let's try some. It's time to make it. Let's go. Putting some oil on the pan, just a bit. Get a piece of tissue and spread the oil around the pan. Once your pan is nice and hot, let's start to pour the crepes. Put it like that, and then now just after a few seconds, we're gonna flip it. Look at that! And let's get our Nutella. So to make things easier guys, our Nutella is in a piping bag, so it's easy to use it. It's time to put the crepe on the plate. Just slide it like that. Nice and easy. Just kidding. And ta-da! We need to clean the pan. Now it's time to put the Nutella. more Nutella, guys. And of course, more strawberries. Voila! Second crepe done. Of course, you can use peanut butter as well. I'm gonna make one with peanut butter and jam. And this is a strawberry jam. It's a homemade strawberry jam that my boyfriend made. And let's just spread it. Nice and easy. Flip your crepe. Voila! Peanut butter and jam. Here we go, guys. So this breakfast is on the go, and I don't usually decorate it, but for you guys, I'm gonna take a bit more time to decorate this. So let's go. Here is your crepe, guys. Before to say goodbye, let's have some. Ciao!